Hi there, I'm Dwayne. I'm with VitaFX and I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy pair of earrings. Okay, so first we're going to use some head pins. These are 2 inches long and they have a little flat stopper at one end and they come reasonably straight. And we're going to use that as the wire that the bead goes on. These are flat, round, and slightly wavy beads, but this doesn't matter because this technique applies to everything. And then we're going to put them on some ear wires, and these are some nice, simple ear wires. They come all together in a pile like that. Nothing fancy here, but they're also reasonably inexpensive. And we have some basic tools here. These are chain nose pliers. And you can see that they are curved on the outside and flat on the inside and smooth so that they don't mark up the wire. And these are round nose pliers. And you can see that they are round all the way, and we use those for making loops. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the head pin and we're going to put it through the bead, and we're going to hope it doesn't fall off the end. And we're good. It looks like a cherry coffee. Okay, we have our bead on the wire and we are going to make a wrapped loop so that nothing falls off. We're going to start with the round nose pliers. And we're just going to hold it right there. So you see there's not really any wiggle room. You push that, you've got a 90-degree bend, and now you rotate your wrist. So your thumb comes towards you, and you grab again. So now, when you push away, you make a nice, clean, round loop. You got that? And now you move your round nose pliers to hold those 2 wires, and you're going to wrap. And this is why I like long head pins, because they give me something to hang on to. And you just wrap around, and if you're having trouble hanging on, you switch to using the chain nose pliers. You do that, and you can just straighten that up a little bit and trim that end off with some cutters. I put my thumb over the wire so it doesn't zing off across the room, and just squeeze that in. So now we have one. I'm going to do that again. Same thing. Hold the wire with the round nose pliers and bend. I think I bent the other direction last time. Reposition your hand and bend around. So now your shape is like that. And we're going to hold the 2 together and just go around. And what you want to have happen is those wraps wind up next to each other and they look nice and professional. And if they don't the first couple of times, don't worry about it, because it comes with practice. Once you've made a bracelet with about 200 wrapped loops on it, you'll be good. Just going to make sure that that little piece of wire at the end there is squeezed in. Now, how do we turn these into earrings, you may say? Well, this has got a little loop on it. And the secret to loops like this, loops in wire that are open, is to open them by going sideways. So what you have to do is twist. Now this wire is quite stiff, so they're not going to open up by themselves. And you hook that in there, and then you twist it back. And that works pretty well because it's small and my fingers are pretty strong. But if you're just getting used to this, you might need to use 2 pairs of pliers. And you hold it across 2 pieces, because if you just hold one, then everything twists. So you see there, we're just gonna twist and not pull it open. I don't know if you can see that better there. So that's twisted open. And we'll hold it, and we just pop that on there. And then twist that back. If you pull it out, you weaken the metal, you never get the hole right, and you might break it. So there we have, very quick and easy, cherry cough drop earrings. We have all the supplies here at Bead Effects, and you can use that technique to make lots and lots of different things.